The Cat and the Bat. Sam is a cat. Sam is a fat cat. He sits on a mat. The mat is red. Sam likes to nap on the mat. A bat flies by. The bat is Pat. Pat is a sad bat. He has no pal. He sees the cat on the mat. Sam looks up. He sees the bat. "Hi," says Sam. "Do not be sad. I am Sam." Pat the bat felt glad. Pat has a bag. The bag is big. What is in the bag? It is a jam jar. Pat likes jam. Sam has a pan. He hits the pan. Tap, tap, tap. The cat and the bat play a song. They see a rat. The rat is Nat. Nat has a hat. The hat is tan. Nat sits in a van. "Can we play?" asks Nat. "Yes," says the cat. "Yes," says the bat. They are a tag team. The sun is bad. It is too hot. Sam put on a cap. Pat hides in a gap. They find a pad. Sam gets a pen. He writes a map. The map leads to a dam. They ran to the dam. It was a far way. They had a can of pop. It was a fun day. Sam fell in a sax case. Pat fell in a tax box. They had a big laugh. It was not bad. A wag from a dog. The dog is Max. Max has a wax toy. He is a mad dog? No, he is fad. The cat, the bat, and the rat sit. They eat ham. They eat from a can. They are fat. Now it is dark. Sam is on the mat. Pat is on the bat bed. They had a nap. Friends are rad. Sam loves Pat. Pat loves Sam. That is the cat and the bat.